Now we are in part 2 on screen mirroring techniques. So what is screen mirroring? It allows a phone or tablet or computer screen to be appeared or mirrored on other devices by using a cable or wireless connection. So we will look into how can we mirror the iPad screen to other displays. As you can see on the My Map here, we will look on how to mirror to MacBook if you have a MacBook, or to other Windows-based laptop or PC, and then to the projector, and finally to the smart TV. So now we are on tutorial 3. Let's have a look into method 1, which is mirror to MacBook. So if you have a MacBook, we can actually use two methods. The first one is by using a cable, and the second one is by wireless connection. So if you are using a cable, we can use the QuickTime Player app as available in MacBook. Or if you are using or interested to do wireless connection, I am suggesting to use the EZCast, because so far EZCast is a free app for now. For the first method, which is by using a cable, okay, I have provided two explanations. The first one is by using a text explanation, and the second one is by using a video explanation. Briefly, okay, you must to ensure that your image capture or iTunes apps already closed, and then connect your device, iOS device, iPad or iPhone. Yeah, you can also use an iPhone to do this, to your MacBook by using the Lightning to USB cable. So if you are using the latest or newest iPad, they are using the Lightning to USB cable. And then next step is you need to launch the QuickTime. So from QuickTime, okay, it will direct you to a file picker menu interface. Here you need to click cancel because we don't want to play any video file yet. Next step, go to the menu bar, click file, and then choose or select new movie recording. Actually, by the default, your input device will be set to the Facecam HD camera of the MacBook. So in order to change it to your iPad device, you need to click down the arrow next to the record button, and from there you can select your iOS device from the camera list. If you still unsure what I'm talking about, you are free to refer to the video here. Next, your MacBook will start to mirror or display your iPad screen, and the device screen will instantly appear, and any actions that you do on the device will be mirrored to the Mac's display. It is basically zero lagging. Okay, you will get a quite smooth interfacing, no lagging. Okay, well, you can try to do it first if you have a MacBook to try on. So here I'm going to show you how to mirror the iPad screen to MacBook by using cable. So make sure, first of all, you need to ensure that the iTunes or your image capture application is already closed and the iPad is connected to MacBook by using the Lightning USB cable. Let's start with launching the QuickTime Player. So once launched, the Quick Play will bring us to a file picker menu. So in this case, we are not interested to play any video file, so we just click cancel here. So next step is go to menu bar and click file. So from here we have a few options, and you just need to click the new movie recording. So as you can see, this is the interface of the new movie recording. So by default, it shows the input device of the FaceTime camera of the MacBook. To screen or mirror our iPad, so you just need to click at the down arrow, okay, next to the record button, and you need to select your iPad. In this case, my iPad's name is Anida's iPad, so just click there, and this is how the screen mirroring looks like when we connect between our iPad to MacBook by using a cable. So I'm just showing you how my MacBook now display whatever screen. In this case, I show my keynote presentation of one of my courses that I teach. So that's all. If you are a fussy type, you don't like cable, so do I. I'm quite a fussy person, so I prefer a wireless connection. So in this video will show you on how to mirror the iPad screen on MacBook by using an app called EZCast. So why not you try to have a look first. A little reminder, if you are interested to use wireless connection by using EZCast, you must ensure that the EZCast app is already installed not only on your iPad but also on your MacBook. Both devices, the EZCast must be open on both devices, and also you need to make sure that they are both connected on the same Wi-Fi connection. Otherwise, you will not able to mirror your iPad content on the MacBook. And another reminder is that you must make sure or ensure that your iPad will not going to sleep. Otherwise, the EZCast will stop the mirroring process. Okay, if you don't understand what I'm talking about, I guess it's about the time for you to try it on your devices. So I'm going to show you how to do the screen mirroring by using EZCast. So first of all, make sure the EZCast app is available from your MacBook. So this is how the interface looks like from the MacBook. Now go to your iPad and make sure that the EZCast app is already open. As you can see from your screen now, this is how the EZCast app looks like. Okay, what you need to do is you need to tap the broadcast screen. From the broadcast screen, it will redirect you to another interface which shows available devices that are currently connected to EZCast. Just ensure that both of your devices, the MacBook and iPad, are connected to the same Wi-Fi connection. Otherwise, the EZCast will not be able to detect it. So next step, you just need to tap the device here, which is the MacBook Air, and then for the last step, you just need to tap the Start Broadcast. So you can see right afterwards, anything appears on the iPad screen will be mirroring to your MacBook. Let's discuss on the second method, which is how to stream the iPad content to Windows-based laptop or PC. So I'm suggesting to use the free third-party apps. For example, a power mirror and screen mirroring. Let's view. So the steps are quite easy. You need to install these apps or software on your iPad as well as on your laptop or PC, and both devices must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And then from the iPad, you need to open or access the control center and tap screen mirroring and choose the name of the your laptop or PC device. And once you click, your iPad screen should be mirrored or streamed to the computer together with the audio. So this is an updated info regarding the A-Power Mirror app. So I just tried it out, and it was actually offered a trial version. And if you want to get to access to full features of this app, you need to either monthly subscribe it, and if you want to make it a life as a lifetime users, the price is quite expensive to me. So I'm suggesting you guys to use the screen mirroring Let's View. Although these both apps are coming from the parent company, but so far Let's View can also offer similar features like a power mirror offer. I know that everyone loves free items, free stuffs, and so on, but here I also show you a few apps that that you need to pay if you want to use it to do the screen mirroring. For example, Smart Mirror TV and devices. The price for this app is 20 ringgit. Whereas another one, screen mirroring, it will charge you bi-weekly USD $5. And the only things that these apps, the paid apps, offer, for example, it can support any smart TV, smartphone, tablet, Mac, PC, laptop, game console, and etc. So the devices that they can mirror to are quite many. And for example, Smart Mirror, I think it's still a good bargain because you only pay once and you can use it forever without any subscription, monthly or yearly. And it also claims that no time limit, ad free, and most important thing, that there will be 0-second delay. Now let's discuss on how can you record your screen mirroring and share it to your students or your colleagues. Why we want to record it? Well, basically, if you have one session that you need to explain the same process, and you have to repeat it again, so why not if you can record it and share it for others to use it, and also it make your works become much easier. So one way that you can do is, if you are using MacBook, you can record your screen mirroring by using the QuickTime player. So it's just an easy step. You only need to click the record button to record the screen mirroring session, and once you stop the recording, the video file can be saved in any of your preference directory. And you can also save it in your Google Drive or OneDrive to make the sharing process much easier. Another alternative method, this method not only if you are a MacBook user but also apply for Windows-based laptop or PC, is by record your screen mirroring through Google Meet. Yep, Google Meet, I know. Well, basically it is very simple. If you go to your Google Meet desktop interface, and when you create a new meeting or start a new meeting, you can basically share before you share, you can record the whole session of your screen mirroring by click the present now button. The best way is by share your entire interface screen, so that, for example, if you want to swap between your iPad screen and you want to show any files from your desktop or from your MacBook, you can the screen session will be recorded as well. So if you are not clear on how to do that, you can refer to my video example here. So this is an example how the Google Meet recordings look like. Okay, after I do screen mirroring from my iPad to my MacBook. So from here you can share the link of this video to your students or to your friends. The third method involves on how to mirror your iPad screen to projector. So basically there are two ways or methods or techniques. The first one is if you want to directly connect your iPad to projector, you can use the Lightning Digital AV adapter. And if you want to mirror your iPad screen to projector by using a medium of MacBook or Windows-based PC or laptop, so you can use the other three cables here. However, you just need to make sure that the projector that you are using, whether in your meeting room or in your classroom, will have or fit with your cable or adapter here. So last step, which is method 4 on how to mirror to smart TV. In this case, the iPad will use the screen mirroring, one of the built-in features on iPad, to mirror the entire screen of the iPad to the Apple TV or any AirPlay 2 compatible smart TV. Just ensure that when you want this works, the devices must be on and nearby. They are connected on the same Wi-Fi network, and the iOS must be updated. We have gone through all 4 techniques. Now it's the time for you to do some exercise. So exercise number 3, I name it as the best ever solution for screen mirroring. So in this task, you need to pick the best screen mirroring solution that fits your current needs and situations, and try to recreate your own screen mirroring. As simple as that.